So I cry sometimes when I'm lying in bed to get it out what's in my head, and I feel it.
You're a little guy. He's just a little buddy, and you guys are trying to look at that. That is cute. Hello, buddy. He's probably terrified right now.
Yeah, let me see this guy.
I don't think it's a mouse because it doesn't.
Is he? No. She wants it.
Little guy.
It's so cute, dude. We're not gonna let our cat murder it to death.
It's one of these underground.
Broken, so I don't know if they compromised the freshmen.
No, it's like
How'd you break the cap?
I didn't break the cap.
I wonder who broke the
Jack, you should have said you broke
Would
the
you
cap.
like a habanero too?
No, dude, eat some. I'll have some.
Try just a little bit.
That's fine.
No, it's
How
in.
much is a little
Here.
bit? Like this much?
Dude, that, you would actually, you'd have another incident in the woods.
Whoa.
Here,
Jack.
hold this. I'll try.
What happens in the woods stays in the woods, bro. You're not supposed to bring that
Alright, here, let me.
Nothing happened in the woods, by the way.
If you can't take the heat, you have to stay out of the kitchen.
Yeah, I know.
Jack was just bumping tires in the woods. No, Jack, that's way too much. You need a toothpick. Put a little toothpick
No,
on it.
dude. I'm going.
No,
Dude,
you're
no.
crazy.
Not the whole.
You can't do that.
This much.
No.
This is like half a wing's worth.
Dude,
Get the camera on this, dude.
That's too much.
Oh my god.
No, this is incredibly hot. This is like
I've had the fire sauce to talk about. I think I can handle that.
this is like 100,000 plus Scoville, maybe more. I don't know.
We're gonna ride around on the new property.
Okay, ready? You ready for it?
That's fine.
Make some ruts.
Alright.
It's really over.
Are you sure there's not septic there? It looks like a leach field.
Yeah, there's septic there.
Oh, but there's no well.
Dude, it's like
No, well, that looks. Why would you do that without food? I mean, you don't do that by itself.
That sure says it all.
Jack, stay out of the kitchen.
Jock.
Is it that hot, Jack?
Yeah. 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 Try some, dude.
Do we have any toothpicks?
No, what you do, Jack, is you put it on food.
No, put it on an apple. Yeah, no, good idea. I thought you literally.
on that.
No, seriously, like, how do we...
Oh my god, that's so
Put it in a
hot.
spoon and then tip it.
I'm gonna let it drip.
I can feel it in here.
Ooh, it's a good look. Oh,
Yo, do it, do it.
I can't do that.
Dude, it's so hot, right? You just threw that
I
away.
can't do that.
It tastes horrible.
It's just pure pain. There's nothing to it but pain. Yo, come, Jesus, dude. That's as much as I did, I think.
That's too much.
Really?
Maybe a little less, but like, you're gonna feel it as I felt it. The wrath of God. Yo, don't walk away from the kitchen.
You're right. I understand the kitchen.
Yeah. Until you know, at least, you know.
No, you don't come to stand the heat, so you gotta kitchen.
Yeah, well, we gotta know if you can stand it. You
that
know.
really does not augment the taste of these pretzels.
I
Nah.
think pretzel help.
Yeah, taking it straight was a little bit of a bad move. But hey, we got here.
And so I cry sometimes when I'm lying in bed to get it out what's